Hi, stackers and collectors. We're flipping seminumis to grow our stack. Since we started, we've broadened the scope of our flipping stack to include vintage collectible bars and rounds, since our LCS sells them to us close to spot. Up until now, I haven't done a video on our LCS purchases, so this was overdue. With the flip proceeds from the Superman coins, we were able to pick these up. Anyone who says, "Oh, I steer clear of vintage coins," should do the math and tell us the Superman coins were a bad play. We're already looking for a good deal for when we flip these. P ATBs are on the short list. Bye!